Okay, on problem 5, people did really well with sketching the graph. Because the instruction was sketch a shape of a y equals x squared. People did a nice job with that shape. Okay? And then put the x and y axes on so the vertex lies at one calculated value and the y-intercept at another. Okay? And that's not a simple set of instructions. I mean, it is now that you know how to do it. But you know, you have to know something about graphs to follow those. Class as a whole did well, both with that. But then, the one thing that threw a couple of people is I said, okay, it would come out to do fundamental triangles in these subintervals. Okay? I think we have the interval from 0 to 150 as an interval. That was mentioned. Okay? Okay? If you read these brackets, brackets as parentheses, you think I'm talking about points on the graph. Okay? And, you know, one of you did that. I mean, there's a little sheet. That's okay. Okay? But you see, you know, you had a great test going there.
I'm going to say that.
And it came out fine, but, you know, not fine because, you know, middle of the pack isn't fine. Because the pack didn't do great, but didn't do terribly. So, okay, but we'll work on it. It's a basis for improvement. Okay? But we understand that these are intervals, right? So when I say the fundamental triangle on this interval, well, actually draw the fundamental triangles for the intervals. Well, for the middle interval, which is the one I asked you to completely label, you've got a point here and a point here, a hypotenuse, and a triangle, which you could draw above or below, wherever it's easier to label it, wherever you think it's preferable. Okay? So we've got those fundamental triangles. I just draw those triangles and follow the instructions for the graph. I was only given 2 points for getting the graph right, even though it's probably worth more. I really wanted to focus here on the fundamental triangles. I almost feel a little guilty about that, but not really, since you get a chance to improve this. Okay? Okay, so, you know, we can draw all 3 fundamental triangles. Okay, you drew your triangles a little light, and I complained that you didn't have them, but you did. You showed me. Okay. And since, yeah, and what you did was you drew them down below. Okay, instead of on the graph, and then it was a labeling there. Okay, really want to see them on the graph. I didn't penalize it heavily, but just reminding people that's where they belong, and then you label them and so forth. Okay, now to label this middle one, we make the estimates. The estimates are pretty easy. 120 would be easy to subdivide. We get 60 here. Half of that's 30. So we see we're 10 and 20, 30, 40, 50. The 90s here, 80, 70, 110, right? So we see that this green triangle comes over here. That looks like about 17. If I believe that that's really 10 and that's 20, which I don't, you know, basically the way I've marked the graph off, 17 is plausible, 16 would be the plausible one. And over here it's 90, right? So we've got a vertex 90/16. And over here, I'm thinking that looks like about 50, 40, 52. Then from there, it's easy to calculate the rise and the run. I'm not going to go through the detail on that. But the run is going to be from 40 to 90. That's 50, right? I got myself cramped up here. But the rise is from 52 down to 16, which is negative 34. Okay. Now, I think I said that this represented depth versus clock time. And I think I told you that the time was in, say, in minutes or something like that. I don't actually remember because I didn't see many units when I graded this. Yep, was it, look, have you got the
Time in weeks.
huh?
Time in
Weeks? And depth was in feet, meters? Huh?
inches.
Inches. Okay. Depth in inches. Time in weeks. Okay. So the run is 50 what?
50 feet.
Time is negative 34 inches, okay? And when if you write out the coordinates here, it doesn't hurt to write out, okay? 40 weeks, 52 inches, 90 weeks, 16 inches, okay? Okay, so the slope, and we can write the analysis of the slope over here, but we'll write the slope over here, right? So you could say slope is rise over run, which equals negative 34 inches over 50 weeks, okay? Now you reduce that to 17/25 inches over weeks, or you could do division. It's easy to divide by 50. Okay, and you get negative 0.68 inches per week. Okay? So I would say negative 0.68 inches per week, and I would put that inside of a rectangle. Okay? I only ask you to completely label one of the triangles, okay? Because it gets a little crowded, it's already a little crowded, I should have drawn the thing bigger just like everybody else should. Okay? You get the idea. It's pretty straightforward. And in this case, it's pretty easy to tell me what that negative 0.68 inches per week means, right? Inches over week means inches, can mean inches per week, right? Okay? It means on the average, the water level changed by about this much. It's 0.68 inches, doesn't it? About right? Okay, that's 0.68, it's 0.69. Okay, and it's going down, right? You draw a little arrow, represent a negative 0.68 inches. That's your interpretation, okay? So I think we want all that in the problem. I think, read how it's stated. I think that's probably what I asked for. I don't remember exactly what I asked for because I decided what I was going to settle for because I wasn't seeing everything I wanted to see. Okay? So, that next time, of course, I'll not settle. But I don't think I'll have to. Okay, very good.